Preparing for wildfire evacuations, safeguarding lives and property in high-risk areas. Wildfires are a significant natural disaster that can spread rapidly, posing a serious threat to lives, property, and the environment. Evacuations become necessary to ensure the safety of individuals and communities in high-risk areas. Proper preparation for wildfire evacuations is essential to minimize panic, streamline response efforts, and protect both residents and emergency personnel. This essay outlines the importance of readiness, key strategies for preparation, and steps to take during wildfire evacuations. Understanding the wildfire threat, the need for preparedness. Rapid spread. Wildfires can spread quickly due to factors like dry conditions, strong winds, and flammable vegetation. This rapid spread necessitates efficient evacuation procedures. Vulnerable areas, homes located near forests, grasslands, and wooded areas are at higher risk. Understanding your proximity to potential ignition sources is crucial. Evacuation zones. Authorities often define evacuation zones based on fire severity and location. Being aware of these zones helps you stay informed and take timely action. Preparation strategies for wildfire evacuations. Stay informed. Stay updated about wildfire risks through reliable sources such as local authorities, fire departments, and emergency management agencies. Emergency plans. Develop a comprehensive emergency plan that includes wildfire evacuation protocols. Communicate this plan to all family members and practice evacuation drills. Emergency supplies. Stockpile emergency supplies including non-perishable food, clean water, medications, important documents, clothing, and personal hygiene items. Communication plan. Establish a communication plan with family members and neighbors. Keep a list of emergency contacts and designate a safe meeting point. Evacuation routes. Familiarize yourself with multiple evacuation routes to ensure flexibility in case some roads are blocked or congested. Transportation. Have a reliable mode of transportation readily available, fueled, and in good condition to evacuate quickly. Animals and pets. Plan for the evacuation of pets and livestock. Ensure you have carriers, leashes, and enough food and water for them. Medically vulnerable. Consider the needs of elderly family members, individuals with disabilities, and those with medical conditions. Prepare for their specific requirements. Valuables and documents. Gather important documents like insurance policies, identification, and medical records, and keep them in a waterproof container for easy access. During wildfire evacuations, follow official instructions. Evacuate promptly when ordered by authorities. Their instructions are designed to ensure your safety and the effectiveness of response efforts. Stay calm. Maintain a calm demeanor to prevent panic among family members and neighbors. Remain focused on following evacuation protocols. Be aware of traffic. Traffic congestion is common during evacuations. Stay patient, avoid aggressive driving, and keep a safe distance from vehicles. Emergency services. Follow instructions from emergency personnel directing traffic and providing guidance along evacuation routes. Avoid shortcuts. Stick to designated evacuation routes. Avoid taking shortcuts that might lead to unfamiliar or hazardous areas. After evacuation, safety and recovery. Stay informed. Keep up with official updates on the wildfire status, evacuation orders, and when it's safe to return. Stay patient. Returning home might take time as authorities ensure that the area is safe for re-entry. Assess property. Inspect your property for any signs of damage or hazards before fully returning. Be cautious of hot spots and potential dangers. Contact loved ones. Let family members and friends know you're safe and provide updates about your well-being. Emotional support. Wildfire evacuations can be stressful. Reach out to community resources and support services for help coping with the emotional toll. Conclusion. Preparing for wildfire evacuations is a critical step in safeguarding lives, property, and the well-being of individuals and communities in high-risk areas. By understanding the wildfire threat, developing comprehensive emergency plans, and staying informed, individuals can respond effectively when faced with the need to evacuate. Timely action, adherence to official instructions, and calm decision-making during evacuations play a pivotal role in ensuring safety and minimizing risks. A proactive approach to wildfire evacuation preparation reflects a commitment to the safety of oneself, loved ones, and the community at large.